Hey, hello everyone. This is Stardust, the new and improved Stardust. All the cool games. Isn't this cool? They got a Pac-Man game here. So many cool things.
You scurvy sea dog, you've come to try to win me treasure, have ya?
Today we're here to play a little bit of laser tag. They have 2 stories of laser tag here. And you get 3 2-minute games to play. So this is the new and improved Stardust. This is so cool. This is totally cool. This is all the fun things that your kids can get into when they come into the new Stardust lane. Laser tag, bumper cars, bowling, and games galore. Okay, look at him. He's over here playing. These kids really know how to play games here. I remember these games when I was little, Space Invaders, but it was not this updated. We have the basketball stuff over here. This is so cool. It's like they're bringing back all the old games. You guys remember this? Space Invaders we used to play on Atari. These kids are so good. Look at this, you guys. Have you ever seen Pac-Man like this? This is so cool. A huge Pac-Man game, the world's largest Pac-Man game. What a cool game. Yahtzee. Gigantic Connect 4 game. Isn't this cool? Look at this.